In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DSers for WooCommerce Dropshipping. If you're looking to start or scale your dropshipping business and want to simplify the process of importing products, managing orders, and working with suppliers, DSers is an excellent tool to help you do just that. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know from setting up your DSers account to managing your first orders. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to get your WooCommerce dropshipping store up and running. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to create your account on DSers. Head over to the DSers website and sign up with your email address and password. It's a straightforward process, just fill in your details, and you'll have your account ready in a matter of minutes. This account will serve as the central hub for managing your store, importing products, and handling orders, so it's an essential first step. Once your account is ready, the next step is to link your WooCommerce store to DSers. To do this, log in to your DSers dashboard and look for the Add Store option. Select WooCommerce, and you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. This involves installing the DSers extension on your WordPress site. Follow the instructions provided, and once the connection is complete, your store and DSers will be fully integrated. Now they'll communicate seamlessly to handle your products and orders. Before going any further, there's an important adjustment to make in your WordPress settings. Navigate to your WordPress admin panel and go to Settings, then Permalinks. Here, make sure the hostname option is selected. This step is crucial for ensuring that your WooCommerce store and DSers exchange data properly. Once you've made the change, click Save Changes. This simple adjustment will prevent potential issues down the road. Now that your store is linked, it's time to choose a DSers plan. DSers offers both free and paid plans, so take a moment to consider your needs. The free plan is a great starting point if you're just getting started, while the standard plan offers more features for scaling your business. Select the plan that best suits your goals, and you're ready for the fun part, finding products. Using the DSers app, you can search for products on AliExpress to add to your store. To ensure you're working with reliable suppliers, look for products with at least 95% positive feedback, a rating of 4.7 stars or higher, more than 100 reviews, and at least 500 sales. These metrics will help you choose high-quality items that customers are likely to trust. Once you've found a product you like, click Import Product to add it to your import list. Next, head over to your import list in DSers to edit the product details. This is where you can make your products stand out. Update the product name, category, and tags, and make sure to refine the variations if applicable. You can also set the sale price and regular price to ensure your pricing aligns with your profit goals. Take some time to write a compelling product description. Tools like ChatGPT can help you optimize this. Additionally, optimize your product images by reducing their file size and renaming them to improve SEO. Once your product details are ready, it's time to push the product to your WooCommerce store. Simply click Push to WooCommerce, and DSers will sync the product with your store. After a few moments, you can verify that the product appears in your WooCommerce product list. This step ensures that your product is now live and ready for customers to view. Before you start marketing, it's a good idea to preview and test your product in WooCommerce. Open the product page, check the details, and go through the checkout process as if you were a customer. This will help you confirm that everything is working correctly, from adding the product to the cart to completing the purchase. When a customer places an order, the details will automatically appear in DSers under the Open Orders section. DSers makes fulfilling these orders incredibly simple. All you need to do is pay for the product on AliExpress, and the customer's shipping details will be transferred automatically. This seamless process saves you time and minimizes errors. It's also important to manage payments and shipping effectively. Ensure that payment methods like MasterCard are integrated into your WooCommerce store to make transactions smooth. Double-check that your shipping details and options are set up correctly so customers receive their orders without delays or confusion. Finally, stay on top of your orders by regularly checking DSers for new ones. Promptly fulfill each order by purchasing the product on AliExpress and monitor delivery progress to ensure your customers have a positive experience. Consistency and attention to detail will go a long way in building trust with your audience. And that's it. You now know how to use DSers for WooCommerce dropshipping, from setting up your account to managing orders. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.